Hi, just wanted to give you a little heads up. So if you're flying and this come up, what would you do? It's not so bad if you're flying your phone because you can easily close the app and restart it. This was on the DJI RC that comes with the Mini Pro 3 and I had no clue. The app stopped responding and it seemingly just crashes randomly. Now I think I've got a solution for this because I'd updated my the RC controller, but not updated the drone itself. I think what's happened is there's a mismatch with the firmware, and morning started out well, flying off as you do, and the app just became poorly responsive. It would freeze all the time. Initially I thought it was the connection, but no, it turns out it's the app. And of course there's no way to restart the app on the DJI RC. There is on the RC Pro, but not on the standard RC. So if it crashes, you are in trouble. If you can see your drone, you can bring it back to you, but if you've flown beyond line of sight, you could be in trouble. The return to home does work, as I've discovered today, but it's you've got to be really careful. So I would, if you're going to update the RC, then update your drone at the same time. Don't fly one with the firmware out of sync with the other. The app became unresponsive twice in that it restarted, but it actually was pretty unresponsive throughout the flight this morning. It just was awful. I mean, the screen would freeze, and it's only that I could see the drone that was able to bring it back to me. So be very careful and don't fly it unless you've updated firmware on both. Now, I've tested this again this morning, and when you've updated firmware on both, it seems to fly perfectly. I've not had an issue with connection like some people have had, but I've not flown it beyond about 400 meters because that's as far as I can see it, and I don't do beyond visual line of sight. But be very careful. So I'd be interested to hear if you've had a problem with it. But just to reiterate, don't fly without having updated both of them. This is slightly unconventional, but thanks for watching. I felt it was really important to get this information out as soon as possible, as soon as I discovered this. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, interact with it, leave a comment, subscribe, any of those things. YouTube knows you like it, and it will show it to more people.